Roadhouse. I want to check my coolant because I want it to be tip-top condition for running in the winter. So let's get this thing started. The Roadhouse is sponsored by Speedy's Industrial Coatings in Ozark, Missouri. They do media blasting, powder coating, big or small, they do it all. Tell them the Roadhouse sent you. This is the tester that I'm using today. You need to keep your package that it came in because it tells you everything you need to know here and on the back, because these will wear off, guaranteed. Okay, winter's coming up, and see how good the coolant is in my truck. Got 3 balls of floating, and that is about to -10 degrees for the protection level, and a positive 222 degrees Fahrenheit. I'd like to get at least 4 of the balls floating. So the coolant in the truck looks like the coldest that it can run in is about -10 degrees. So I want to up that. Now I would really like to be about -40. -25 would be great, but I'd really like to be somewhere in between -25 and -40. So I'm going to drain some coolant out of it that may not be as concentrated and put more concentrated in and see where we land at. On your truck or your car, and if your radiator has a turn spout, you're going to turn it. If you don't have a turn spout, which mine broke off, I'm going to go ahead and use the lower radiator hose, and I'll show you the picture of what I'm talking about right now. There it is right here. All right, now that it's back a little ways, I'm going to try not to get all wet. I'm going to drop out some. The funnel. Buy some concentrate. Don't buy that water stuff. If you realize it's the water and the radiator coolant is just about the same price if you buy it 50-50 water and coolant versus concentrate, which is 100% coolant. I don't know why. You can mix your own stuff. Wow. All right, to prove my point, this Prestone here is concentrate. You have to add water to it. It's $11.37. Ready to use right there is $9.28. So you're almost paying this, half of that. Half of that is water. So know that half of that is water. This is concentrate, completely all antifreeze. This is $9.28 for half water, half antifreeze. That one right over there, ready to use. $10.97 for half water. $11.37 for concentrate, all coolant. Watch what you're buying, ladies and gentlemen. I went ahead and started the truck so I can let the radiator coolant flow through the radiator, through the motor, and through everything, get it all mixed up. Then I'm going to test it again. It drops some, so I'm going to have to add some. What I wanted to do was, instead of just doing the video last night, finishing it up last night, I went ahead and ran the truck last night for about 60 miles. And what I wanted to do is make sure that all this coolant had been moved around the motor and everything before I gave you an accurate reading. So once again, I've got 4 of the balls floating, and one of them is actually going up. It's still going up. So this will put me at negative 40 degrees and a plus 228 degrees Fahrenheit. This is actually where I wanted to be. Out of a 1 to 5, this was probably a 1.5, depending if you can find where your coolant comes out the bottom of your car or your truck. You're paying for half water when you're buying the 50/50 or the ready-to-go stuff. So please look at that. I'm sure that most of you, if not all of you, can mix water in with it. So if you want to do 50/50, you put 1 jug of coolant in and 1 jug of water. Don't spend the extra money for that stuff. That's where they rob you. They rob you blind on that stuff. Thank you for watching, liking, comment down below. Tell me what you've done with yours. Is there an easier way that you've done it? Appreciate everybody for watching, and as always, if you're right or hard, don't put it away wet. Too hard to fix once I put it away.